Skardu, where mountains draped in sheets of snow silently touch the sky, and the first light of morning peeks through veils of mist, revealing a hidden secret. Here, time itself seems to pause, and the silence in the air begins to echo the noise within your heart. And within this frozen breath of nature, a desert quietly lives and breathes, where golden Ramal, beneath the shadows of icy peaks, whisper a story of their own. In the cold winds, grains of sand drift away, like fleeting moments of time that slip through your hands, yet remain forever in your memories. This is a land where nature itself feels lost in remembrance, where every breeze becomes a silent prayer, and every drisha settles deep within the soul, leaving behind a sense of peace. And when the sun begins to hide behind the mountains, Skardu becomes like a final breath that settles within your heart, a miracle of nature, not seen with the eyes, but felt with the heart and never forgotten.